इधर इधर
Namrata, I don't think
Mr. Sethi for giving me this opportunity, and this was not a collection for me, this was homecoming for me. I love athleisure, I live in athleisure, so thank you. And the collection, as it's called, Athleisure Redefined, was about elevated activewear that goes from the gym to the lounge to your airport look. And the outfit that Malaika has is from their star fabric, green gold. I even know that, which is made from recycled PET bottles. That's the fabric. Yes, that entire outfit that you have on is made from green gold, the star fabric, which is made from recycled PET bottles. So I've enjoyed working on this collection, and I want to thank Malaika. She's been my fitness role model for many, many, many years. So thank you. No one fitted this look better than you. And here, Kubra, who opened the show, is Sisterhood of Kilimanjaro. We've climbed Kilimanjaro, and that's why she opened this show, because she was the perfect person to open the show. So thank you, and
yes. I think lots of firsts over here. First time I'm doing something with Namrata. First time I'm to be part of a collection backed completely by Reliance. So that's fantastic. The thought behind it is truly amazing. 25 years of Lakme, that's a big one. I've been part of Lakme through every single year, so I feel amazing to be back. First time I'm walking with Koobs, so that's also great.
I love that. Thank you, Mala.
Thank you so much, and I've had a fantastic show today. I think definitely one of my most favorite shows that I've done and I've walked. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for being supportive. Thank you for always showing a lot of love. And I shall see you soon. Have a great evening.
Ma'am, tell us something about the outfit and tell us something about the best part of Lakme Fashion Week, because it has just completed 25 years.
Well, it's amazing. I'm really happy to be part of it. 25 years of Lakme Fashion Week. I think I've been part of so many seasons, so it feels like home. And I'm very happy to have worked for Namrata Joshipur. I think it was a fantastic collection, very sustainable, and what Rilan has done with the fabric and everything in terms of athleisure, I think has been super.
मोस्टली हमने आपको ट्रेडिशनल में वर्क करते ज़्यादा देखा, लेकिन इस बार काफ़ी अलग था, वर्क काफ़ी अलग था, आउटफिट काफ़ी अलग था। इसके बारे में
जी, आई थिंक काफ़ी इंडियन अटायर में पहले मैंने वॉक किया। आई थिंक काफ़ी वक्त के बाद मैं एक वेस्टर्न आउटफिट इस किस्म का मैंने पहना है। सो येस, इट्स डिफरेंट एंड आई लाइक्ड इट। बहुत ही कमाल का शो था।
Malaika, your Instagram bio speaks about food, fashion and fitness. Which comes first in the order? Which F comes first and how do you rate it?
My 3 favorite Fs, so yeah, all of them.
Which is most important for you out of the three?
How can I live with any one of them, without any one of them? I need food, I need fitness, and I need fashion in my life at all times.
And what do you think about the growing industry when it comes to the athleisure?
I think it's a huge business. I'm somebody who truly stands for athleisure. I propagate it, I wear it, I am all for it. I'm really happy to be part of a brand like Reebok, which has over the years shown so much of faith in me, and I love the brand. So yes, I think Athleisure is here to stay.
मैम यू आर रोल मॉडल, यू आर अ फिटनेस आइकन. सो जो न्यू कमर्स है जो रैम करना चाहते हैं, नर्वस फील करते हैं, उनके लिए कोई अगर आपने तरफ से
नर्वस मैं भी, मुझे नर्वस अभी भी फील होता है. हाँ हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स वो नर्वसनेस कभी नहीं जाती.
Who's your role model?
Who's my role model? My mother. Yes. Thank you so much. Bye bye.